Santa came. Santa came. Do you want to go see?
Yeah.
Come on. Are you excited? Bless you. Wow, look at all the presents. Who brought those?
I don't know.
You don't know? Who are those for? You don't know? Hey, who had some cookies and milk last night? Who had cookies and milk? Do you know? Who had cookies and milk? Who had cookies and milk last night? Do you know?
Santa.
Santa? Do you want to go downstairs and see what's downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go see. Daddy, want to get Taylor?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go see. Let's go. Keep going. Walk down the stairs, buddy. Hey, look! What's in our stockings? Did he come through the chimney? He did? Santa! He left the door open. Which stocking is yours, Connor? This one? There's presents in it. Should
What's this?
we? That's Wally's. Do you want to take it out?
Yeah. Yeah.
What did Wally get? What did he get?
I don't know.
Is that a bone?
Yeah.
It's a bone.
Do you want to open your stocking? Maybe call Wally. We could give that to him. Here, I'll take that in your stocking. Hold on. Hold on.